morning, everybody. As you can see, I just have Charlie just here in my ring sling. This is my first time using it, so if I'm doing something wrong, please have patience with me. I'm still learning how to use this thing, but so far, I absolutely love it. And once she was in, she loves it too. So today we don't have like a bunch going on. Miles is watching Blippi currently right now and eating his breakfast and his morning milk. I am actually about to unload the dishwasher really quick. Then I have a friend coming over who's gonna watch these two because tomorrow I'm going to be 3 weeks postpartum and I have a 3-week checkup and I can't take them with me. So, in Yosies, I still have about an hour. So, we're gonna unload the dishwasher and then see if there's anything else I need to do or whatnot. So, let's go start it with the day. Okay, so I am currently at my doctor's office waiting to go in. So this is my 3-week checkup, which is kind of different. They changed it recently. It used to be 6 weeks, now it's 3 weeks for postpartum. And honestly, like this whole process of having Charlotte and whatnot has been a lot easier than it was with Miles. I remember with Miles, I didn't realize how badly he messed me up until I had Charlotte, and then I was like, oh, this is how it feels postpartum to like actually have like an easy labor and delivery and like not have like a bunch of stuff to deal with afterwards. But if I'm being honest, the bleeding hasn't been that bad either, so that's a blessing. I am so not good at this. So I'm trying to get better about the whole vlogging thing, about the whole just like, I don't know, like doing better at this right here. And I just realized that I didn't have like my tripod out, which didn't make me remember that I didn't have my mic on. So the audio in the first half of this video probably sounds so bad. So I apologize. I have you over here because something that I want to do since having Charlotte is I want to go through these cabinets and just take everything out and kind of just see what I have and then put it back in here more organized. Something that I just feel like not very good at, or not that I'm not very good at, but like I have a bad habit of doing is I'll buy stuff and then we never use it, and then it just sits up here for however long and it never gets used. Like I didn't know I had to do the baking bits up here. I don't know. Like Stan like has a whole thing of muscle milk. Like it's not even open. Is it open? But it's literally full. So I guess I should have showed y'all like a before. So hold on. So this is everything I have pulled out so far. And that was all in this area. Here's this cabinet. Here's this cabinet. So here's the before. Also, I did not buy all this chocolate. I didn't. I'm a teacher, and over the holidays, my students kept giving me chocolate as like Christmas gifts and whatnot. And so we have way too much chocolate. It's excessive. Like, hold on. 1 bag, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at this. That's too much. And we're not eating it. It's just sitting here. I'm gonna finish getting all this out, show you what it looks like, and then I'll come up with a game plan for putting everything back in here. I don't want to show y'all. Okay, guys, this is bad. So there's all these containers. Don't judge me, don't judge me. So much stuff. Oh my gosh, we don't need this much. Like, here we go. Like, why do I need that many pastaronis? Oh, hold on 1 second. Yeah, it's okay. It's a lot of food. Okay, so I think, one, she's gonna need a bottle pretty soon. I think what I'm gonna do is make this the designated snack area. And everything else will go in our other pantries. But before I do that, I need to feed her. Yeah, get a bottle. Yeah, we're really hungry, aren't we? I'll look back to y'all. We'll figure this out in just a minute. But first, I need to help her because somebody's hungry. Oh my goodness. Yeah, somebody's hungry. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I am officially done, and I cannot wait to show y'all. I ended up reorganizing these cabinets, and then that pantry over there, it looks so much better. So really quick, I'm gonna show you what I did. All right, so here we go. So this is officially the snack pantry. It looks so much better, so much more organized. And I thrift a lot. At some point I would love to do a thrift with me video, but I thrift a lot, and all of these baskets are just baskets that I have thrifted over time because I knew that I was going to be doing something like this. So here is this pantry, and here is this pantry. So these are like dried goods or baked goods, so like pastas and flour and rice and stuff that you'd use for baking. So baking soda, baking powder, chocolate chips, whatnot. Up here are like pastas, so like that pastaroni we love to use, the mac and cheese, rice, a thing of cornbread, and then a random cake mix. And then up here, this is actually breakfast shelf. So cereals, pancake mix, syrup, and honeys. So this is pantry, and I love how it turned out. And I kinda, here, let me close this really quick. Kinda want to now tackle our seasonings. Really badly I want to tackle this and get this all organized. I think I'm gonna eat first and then I might tackle this, but that would be so cool if I could actually get this done too. If I'm being honest, there's something about organizing and whatnot and cleaning for me that is so relaxing and just like so satisfying when it's all said and done. I love doing stuff like this. So what I've been finding during my postpartum phase and while I have a break from school, I'm getting about a month off from school, is when Miles goes down for a nap and while little girl is in between bottles and she's content in taking a little nap as well, I try to do little things here and there. And I'm wanting to organize these two cabinets because they got way out of control, way out of control. Okay. This looks so much better. These are all the empty containers. Anything that isn't empty, I'm probably gonna donate. Here are a bunch of empty containers too. Again, any boxes over here, probably gonna donate. Oh my gosh, does this feel so good having all of this organized? So good. Okay, so we actually just got home from a thing that Stan had to do at the gym. If you hear crying in the background, that is, it's okay. Not Miles. Charlotte is with Stan, so I just loaded the dishwasher one more time for the day, and we are getting ready for bed. Miles was watching Blippi, Stan is taking care of Charlotte, and I am putting away clothes. So my mother-in-law actually got this for Charlotte. It's like a size 12 to 18 months, so it's gonna be like next summer. But look, how cute is those little chickens? But the main reason that I'm in here is because, hold on one second. Something else I want to show you guys.
Did I give you film content?
Something else that I want to show you guys before we go to bed, before Stan washes it down the tub, is so Stan stripped his work clothes and his gym clothes. I literally don't want to go in this bathroom because I'm scared it's going to smell. So look at the color of this water. Look at that. That is from stripping his work clothes and his gym clothes. It does not smell good in here at all. It actually smells really bad. Also, if you ever wonder what my setup is, tripod, mic, phone. So, that's nasty. I am going to go ahead and close out the vlog. You know, we're tired. We have a newborn and we need sleep. So, we are going to say goodbye for now. I guess I'll see you guys in the next vlog. So, bye guys. Good night.